Sweetie, what are you doing up so late? Come back to bed. You, you should be sleeping. It's late, sweetie. You should, definitely be sleeping, so come back to bed and just cuddle for a bit. Okay, what do you have that concerning look on your face, huh? Why are you looking at me like that? Sure, you can ask me a question. Am I a vampire? Yeah, I'm a vampire, sweetie. Okay. Well, let's go back to sleep. How come I never told you? I don't know. Well, babe, I thought it was obvious. We've been dating for 3 years. I don't eat garlic. I don't go out in the sun. I have fangs. You see me drinking blood. I'm surprised you didn't connect the dots earlier. I thought it was obvious just by living with me for 3 years. Well, if you notice, I'm always cold because I'm cold-blooded, right? Every time you cuddle, I'm like a popsicle. So, I do have a heartbeat, and I do sweat. Yeah, well, let me tell you why I do have a heartbeat and I do sweat sometimes. I'm not 100% dead, right? I was bitten by a vampire. My father was vampire and my mother was human, so I'm like a hybrid, right? So yeah, it's a little bit weird and confusing, but Twilight really explains it pretty well. So we'll go watch that series later and you'll get the full picture. But anyway, sweetheart, it's late. I'm tired and you really need to go to sleep, so good night, okay? Oh, sweetie. You have a hard time sleeping, don't you? I'm sorry. Just don't worry about it too much, okay? I'm serious. You do not need to worry about it. I remember when I first saw you, I thought that you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so shocked and taken aback by your beauty. I remember when I first saw you, I was so nervous because I wanted to come up and talk to you. I was so scared. But you were so beautiful. You were the most prettiest girl I've ever seen, and I knew that if I didn't come up and talk to you, I would regret it for the rest of my life. So I mustered up the courage to come up and talk to you. And as I was walking towards you, my palms were sweaty and my heart was racing. And I came up to you and I said hi. And And I still remember that look that you gave me when I came up to you and said hi. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. You're like, how dare this guy come up and say hi to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But yeah, I was so nervous talking to you. I had no idea what I was saying. I was just saying gibberish. But one thing led to another, and you gave me your number. Yeah. I think that was like one of the most happiest days of my life. Okay, sweetie. Alright. You really need to go to bed, okay, my little pookie stick? Okay, my little sweet princess, okay? It's getting late. And you really need to wake up early tomorrow, so, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin bear. Good night, my little Fuki. Good night, my little princess monkey. Good night, my little gorilla. Good night, my little kangaroo, okay? Okay, I love you so much, okay? Good night. No, sweetie. You're not sleeping. You're hungry. Okay, we do have frozen food, okay? Alright. We got some lasagna, pasta, macaroni, chimichangas, taquitos, frozen pizza. We got ice cream, we got green tea, Rocky Road, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. What else do we have? Salisbury steak. Is there anything you want? You want the lasagna? Sure. We will get you the lasagna, okay? Here you go, baby. I'm back with your food, okay? There you go. Alright. Come cuddle with me while you eat.